Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Build. You know it is JJ with you once again. I'm going to do something a little bit different like I always try to do. Today, we're going to talk about something I got from Temu. I say Temu, it sounds like a cat, but Temu or whatever you want to call it. Temu. Okay, so this just came in off of the mail truck. Here, let me get that in there. The Vlogger. We just got this off the truck, so you can see it better. There we go. The Vlogger. And be like shocked. Ah! Okay. Now I got that out of the way. Let's bring it down and see what's going on in the box. All right. We're down here in the box. We get a microphone. I don't know. You get a cord. And you get a light, which you need batteries for. You need AA batteries for. It would have been nice if they would have made this a 5-volt rechargeable. Like you do your telephone. That would have been nice. And then you get this handheld thingamajiggy here. Now, the reason why I'm going to put this stuff back in the box is for the simple fact I've already tried the microphone. The microphone doesn't work. It's not worth crap. I'm just going to be honest with you. The microphone ain't crap. But, what do you expect for a couple bucks, right? So, well, made from China. Throw the box back there. This is the star of the show right here. This is a tripod system. Okay. So you can take the handle and clip this right here. And you can take and I'm going to use something different today. Okay. So basically you can take your phone, push down right here, boom. And then you can adjust it to the way you want it. And there you go. So basically, you can do everything right from here. It's pretty cool. You can take and lift it up, put the handle away, turn around and do this, or, it does hold. I'll give it that much credit. It does seem to hold it. Tripod system. If you're not happy with the way this is bent, you can go up, you can go down, and it locks in, so nothing to worry about there. Now, on top of this, on the back of this, let's say you got a mount you want to use for, a screw-in mount you want to use for the car. Okay, you can take it off this mount, and it's got a screw mount back here, and also, too, it's got a screw mount here. So if you want to you got a screw mount for your dash already, you can screw it in here and just use this. This right here, this piece right here you can use. It's pretty cool. It gives you options. At least you got some options. And with the cam I got here, this gives a lot of options. So if you want to do it longwise, you can do it longwise. We just screw it in right here. And it locks in pretty tight. So, you can set 360 any way you want. and pretty much there. Now you got your phone right up like this. You know, you can adjust it to where, or just use it for like on your desk. Let's say you want to just, I'll move that up a little bit. Let's say, you could use this on your desk. Any way you want. Alrighty. So basically, it's like that. There, let me turn this up a little bit like this. So you can go off of Temu and get this fairly cheap. Let's see. Let's see how much it is. And I'll show you the price. Let's see. Temu. And okay, so it'll take me a little bit because I'm still getting used to this Temu thing. Let's see what I can come up with. I want to see how much it is because a friend of mine ordered this. No, Oh, that is just so bad. It puts me to. I'm not going there with this. We'll adventure that later. Okay. What we'll do is I'll move this off to the side right now and put this off to the side. I apologize for this. I'm not with it today, I guess. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and click on this and just do it manually. And I'll bring you all with me. How about that? We'll just go to the action screen. I'll make it simpler. Let's see what we can find out. From Temu, looks like they got some pretty cool stuff. Wow. Even the camera right here, 50 right here, 56% off. Probably same camera I got. Oh, that looks like it's pretty cool. Look at this. They get the whole setup Looks like they got a whole setup right here for $16. Wow. Yeah, y'all might want to check out Temu if you're looking for, something for something for your cam and something like that. We'll hit see more and see if we can find anything that's of substance. They got one right here where you clip on the table. Wow. Looks like they got tripods, selfie stick. That looks pretty cool. They got this one here. I don't know. I can't seem to find the one that I got. Oh my goodness. Oh, they got that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I mean, they got a lot of cool stuff. Okay. Going back up on top. Let's go ahead and go back on top. All right. Well, I seem to can't find it for some reason. I don't know why, but I thought it would be the same. I'll grab it. Let me take one last crack at it. And see if I can find it or not. Nope. I'm still looking. And boy, I don't know why, they don't got their site set up the way I would imagine. But I do see some tripods that I am going to be looking into, some long length tripods. There it is. There it is right there. Okay, I found it. Taking you back. There it is right there. $9.08. Look at that. And that's the way it sets up. So, interesting. So, yeah, I mean, if you're looking for something like that, I'm just going to tell y'all, and I'm okay. Let's just go ahead and go back to the main screen since y'all seen what the prices are and everything else. Okay. Straight up, if you're thinking about something for YouTube, okay, this right here, you know, I mean, the only thing that I see good out of this is the stand. That's the only thing good I've seen out of this was the stand. So, I mean, as far as the microphone's junk. How I know it's junk? Because last night I tried to plug it into the phone and tried to talk through it. didn't work. The light, on the other hand, it wasn't bright. So I know y'all probably wanted to see the light, but we all want to see the light. But as far as this right here, this stand, this is all that I seen for $9 that came good out of that whole package. Because I wouldn't mind using this if I'm doing when I'm doing the mobile channel. You know, it would help out a lot. Especially, I can stand it up onto the dashboard. And looking at it, the feet, it's got some grippable feet on the bottom too, you know. So it's not sliding. Look. Putting the same weight as the phone and moving this around. And wow. So bring you back up again. So, from what I see, let me adjust you guys up. From what I see, y'all better have your drink and snacks, by the way. All for $9.08. This right here is the only thing that I see that is worth the $9.08. The rest of it, truthfully, I throw it in the garbage. The rest of it, I'd throw it in the garbage because, one, I would rather have a rechargeable backlight. That way, you know, at least you can get some time out of it. You know, using regular batteries, you know, that's, you know, I wouldn't use regular batteries with that. You would have to have rechargeable batteries, and plus the backlight doesn't light you up as great. And the microphone doesn't work at all. So I can get the microphone working, okay? I can get the microphone working. That's not a big deal. I mean, I can go in and I can rewire the microphone, put a better microphone, like I did, you know, like I got with this one here. I mean, you can take a microphone like this, you know, disassemble it, and you can turn around and probably add it to that microphone there and just rewire it in, and you're off to the race. I'll think about doing that and picking me up another cheap microphone that plugs in directly to the phone. You know, depending on the impedance of the microphone itself, you know, and if it's ceramic or if it's, you know, electric, or, you know, it's not going to be electric, but I'd rather have a ceramic head, that small ceramic head that I can put in there, and plus it'll probably do a lot better than what they got in there now. So, but anyway, I just wanted to take y'all along with me a little bit today on that. I saw that and I thought this was pretty cool. I thought it would have been better, you know, if they would have had, you know, something more viable, but all I can see what's viable is this, you know. And plus I can do, you know, put this on the desk and, you know, I can set my phone on it and I can turn around and, you know, I can log with y'all, you know, chit chat, or in the mobile, I can chit chat with y'all. I can change the bass out. I already got a stand clip that's in the car, so I can put this right on the stand clip, you know, screw it in and put my phone on that instead of holding the phone, and, you know, go from there. So this has got a lot of options. And also too, with my big cam that I got over there in the corner. It still uses the same base as this. That'd be pretty cool. Stick that big old camera here on this. I will have to try that. See if it works. So, but anyway, I'm not going to bore you guys with this. I just wanted to show you the logger from Temu, what it's about. $9. Is it worth it? To me, the stand is worth it. The rest of it, throw it in the garbage. So, but anyway, if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do. Help them support the channel from beginning to end. Watching the videos and telling your friends to come on down to subscribe and watching the videos from beginning to end. And we did get a couple new subscribers to the channel. Welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds community. Now, the thing is with Discord, if you want to get up on Discord, and join in with us on Discord and get the beef of what we're going to be doing next, I try to do my best to tell everybody what I'm doing next on Discord. So if you want to become a JJPC Builds Discord member, then hit me up on this video if you want. And I'll leave you a link on this video, and you can join us over there, if you want to go that route. I'm doing it this way for the simple fact, at least I know that you're, able to go from point A to point B, and I want to make sure everybody is. So I'm just doing it on a one-on-one basis. I'm not reviewing nobody, and I'm not judging nobody. If you want to join us over there, I'll be more than happy to give you a link to take you over there. Simple as that. Discord's kind of wacky about, doing the links and stuff, that they only give you a time limit on the links. That's one of the reasons why. So that's why I'm doing it on a one-to-one basis. If you want to get on Discord with us, then, we'll go from there. But anyway, until the next time in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.